So now we want to use the lines that we've drawn to create new planes. So to do this, we go to the menu, the toolbar at the top, the menu toolbar. We click on plane, and let's click on this first line here. Now we click on it and nothing happens. It's currently set to offset. What we want to do is change that to be a line angle. So we're using the line to create an angled plane. We're going to change the angle because at the moment, if you notice, it comes in and it's a vertical plane. So we want that to be horizontal. So we're going to change the angle to be 90. Hit enter on the keyboard and you see there we've now got a horizontal plane. It's called plane 1, exactly where our line is. So let's accept that. There's plane 1. We're going to repeat that process for the next line. So here's our next line. Line angle. Again, we need to change that angle to be 90 degrees. There is our plane. It's called plane 2. And again, click on the plane tool, click on the line there. Let's change our angle to be 90 degrees and accept. So we've now got 3 angled planes. What we're going to do, we know that this form, the main body, is cylindrical in its shape, in its form. But it's curved and we can't rotate around a curved axis, and it's also smaller at the top than it is at the bottom. So what we need to do is we're going to draw 3 circles that represent the different diameters of the cylinder. So we're going to sketch on this plane 1. Let's look at it from the top view. There is plane 1. Now, the problem there, of course, is that our sketch disappears. So I've gone into a 2D view, but I'm just rotating ever so slightly so I can see it in 3D. I'm going to click on my circle. I'm going to zoom in, okay, and approximately we're going to draw a circle. Okay, I say approximately. So let's do something like this. Let's make the dimension of this 100. So we've got a whole number. Okay, and then let's zoom out and let's spin our work around. And what we're trying to assess and look at is if this is in the middle and does this look like the right diameter. That looks pretty good, but I would suggest it needs to move ever so slightly this way. So let's move it a little bit. Now, if you find that you can't move it, possibly because it's snapped, then what we need to do by me doing this, trying to move it across, as you see, I can't move it from the middle. I'm holding down the left mouse button here. I can't move it from the side. This is because it's got a constraint fixed to the circle, okay, for the center point. So we need to try and remove that constraint. Now, if you just notice, I've just hovered over the middle. There's a little icon there. I'm going to click that and press delete. And then now I can move my circle.